Oh my God. That's a good one. That's a good one. What's crack-a-lackin', everybody? Welcome back to another little episode of Tater Ridge TV. My favorite thing is like when I'm standing next to the road and people come by the road and they see me holding this camera and talking to it, and they're looking at me like I'm some kind of alien or something. Oh, neighbor. Oh, he didn't even wave back. Anyway, we're going trout fishing again today. I kind of got my fix the other day a little bit, and now I just want to go every day. And it is, I forgot my watch at home, great. It is like 9 o'clock, a little late. I wanted to be up about daylight, but you know, sleep. So we're gonna dive off in here to the Rio and see if we can catch the pescado. 10-4, all right, be back in a minute. Same kind of gist today. I'm fishing with worms just because it's convenient, and I really don't feel like having to tie flies and whatnot. So I feel like catching fish. He bit the crap out of it. I didn't even hook him in the mouth, I hooked him in the head. He's actually still laying right there. Well, I tell you, you talk about a spotted bass bait, son. You put that thing on a bobber. There's a fish. Now that might be a trout. No, it's just a big old horny head. There's a trout. Oh, it's a trout. A pretty one too. Oh no, that's a, just kidding. It's a giant horny head. Dang, son. Look at the horns on that sucker's head. Pretty good one. Looked like you've been caught before, buddy. I'd bet you the tile to my truck, you put him on a free line him down, you know, down some rocky bank and catch a 4-pound spot. Oh, he come off. Dang, that was a trout. All right, so this is a good teaching moment. So I'm not standing in the water, I'm standing on the edge of the water. Depth perception on the camera is, you know, not so good. But to where I think the trout is about 12, 15 foot over there. Notice how I'm not standing right here, casting right in there. I'm getting upstream, like far enough where the fish can't see me, and pitching it upstream and letting it float through that hole. And that's where the fish hit. Not getting down, I mean, you can fish parallel with it and it's no problem, but what I'm getting at is not being so close to the hole that you potentially spook those fish. And I'm betting you, if there's another one in there, I'll hang him right here. That ain't no trout. Boy, honey, it sure is too. Look at this beauty. Wow. There's your native. Dang, hooked him right through the eye too. Sorry, buddy. I'm getting a bite every time I float through there. I just ain't catching it. I ain't latching on to it. There he is. There he is. Look at that pretty thing. Come on up here, old Jose. Mr. Mr. Cuervo. Let me look at it. I really need a net. I have a net. I'm just too lazy to go get it. Look at yawn. Look at yawn. No stockfish. Okay, well, I've moved spots, fished that place out back yonder, and come to a new place. I don't know how big the river is down here. I do know how big it is, but like it ain't rained in a while is what I'm saying. So I don't know if it'll be big enough if the holes will be big enough to float a worm in, or I may just have to wade down there and spinner fish. But I fished down here before and really jacked them up, but I know it's been fished pretty hard lately. So the only thing I know to do is get off in there and dangle that rig. Okay, I see you in a minute. I'm fishing with a spinner through here. It's just too hard to float a worm. Okay. Oh, it come off. That's a pretty little native. Look at that baby. Look at her. Look at you. Look at you. Good looking section of river right here. Unfortunately, there's no way to get in it and really fish it without getting right on top of it. Good fall right up there. There's been a coon in here. A coon track. I know for sure there's one decent trout laying in there. Somebody else has been fishing here too. Come eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh no, he missed it, eat it. No, he missed it. God. Good sized trout. There's some in here. Ate it. Oh no, no, no. Okay, there are several fish in there. I never hooked him, so I've got a chance. Oh, there he is. Golly. Boy, he hornswoggled it. It's a good fish. That's a good. Shoot, yeah, look at that rig. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's the cool thing about spinner fishing too, is like when you get to see them hit it, that is just cool. Oh God, oh my God. Boy, that was unreal. That is another good fish, man. Look where something's tried to nab him right there. He come out from under that log, son, like a dang spotted bass on a fluke. All right, amigos, this is the last little stretch of river I'm fishing, and I'm headed back to the truck. It's midday and I'm hungry. So we're gonna see if we can nab one right down here in this little stretch. And if we do, good. If we don't, that'll be all right too. There will be a fish right here. Oh, there he is. There he is. I know there'd be one right there. Come here, baby. Pretty boy. Oh boy, you are pretty, you are pretty. You are the gem of Georgia. Dang, there's another one. There's another one. There's a whole full of them, man. It's a big native. Look at you, boy. Woo-wee. You pretty as they get, son. Boy, they don't get no prettier. That's just hard to believe that stuff like that's in these creeks. Ooh, man. Oh my God. That's a good one. That's a good one. Brown. Look at that. There's a brown trout. There's a brown trout. Where'd you come from? What were you doing in there? Huh? What were you doing in there? Buddy. I hadn't caught a brown in a long time. Well, he hit it like I noted. I know I had to dive off in the creek after him when he hit. Heck yeah, man, that was an awesome little catch. I did not expect him to be in here. I know Georgia stocks those things, but it's just so rare to catch one like so far away from anywhere they stock. He's been in here a while. And boy, them browns, son, they hit it like a freight train when you find one. I'm glad he swam off good, because he was hooked kind of funky, where I couldn't get them hooks out of his mouth, but he swam away good. All right, boys, it's like 4 days since I made that video, and my audio was kind of fouled up, so I'm just now throwing together a little outro. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. As always, leave this video a like, comment down below if you want to see something new. I'll do some fly fishing. I'll do some catch, cleaning, cooks, just, you know, just whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love each and every one of you, and Tater Ridge is out.